What up, Hangout Gang? Well, it's Monday morning, August the 17th. Crypto Crane here. We're going to take a look at some of the charts today. But before we get into the charts, 48% of you guys that watch the channel and watch the videos are not subscribed to the channel. So please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and hit the like button so we can get into the YouTube algorithms and grow the channel. If you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified of the newest video as soon as it drops. And you don't want to miss out on the information that we're going to be providing here in the upcoming weeks doing to prepare for this next move upwards. And if you are interested in a podcast, we have the Metaspot podcast. It's on Apple Podcasts, iTunes, Pandora, and Spotify. So check us out on those platforms if you are into the NFT and metaverse crypto culture. We also have the Sunday Night Hangout that we broadcast live here on YouTube and we replay on Spotify, iTunes, Pandora as well. So check us out on those sites as well, podcasting platforms as well. And if you are into the NFT space and learning how to be your own bank, then subscribe to our Patreon, the Crypto Hangout Patreon, and become a Patreon Hangout member and see what passive NFTs that you should buy and how to become your own bank, how to service loans, what loans would be risky, what would be a good loan to service, and what NFTs to buy that present you passive income. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the crypto bubbles here. And as you can see on the daily, we have a few green and a few red. It's about 50-50. We have HBAR Algorithm, Mana, XRD, ING, Matic, Mina, Tezos, OP, ICP, BSV, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, RLB, Chainlink, HT, and XEC, all in the green bubble. We have Gala, FXS, Bone, SHIB, XTC, Ape, Unicomp, IMX, Theta, Hex, Leo, XRP, SUI, BTT, Maker, Axie Infinity, PLS, GRT, ADA, FTT, eGold, XMR, OKB, BNB, Lido, and Sol, and Near, all in the red. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the charts today. We have the Bitcoin dominance chart, and as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance chart it fell down below this upper trend line right here on the daily, and it started to movement upward. Right, so when it moved upward on Sunday, you saw Sunday morning, Saturday night, Sunday morning, you saw the altcoins bleed because the money was flowing back into the Bitcoin. Right, so as long as Bitcoin chops the dominance chops sideways, you will see the altcoins run. Okay, now if we get a fall down here to this 48 mark, then you will see some of the altcoins bleed as well. If you get the Bitcoin dominance chart run back up here into this trend line, then you will see the altcoins bleed as well. Okay, everything depends on what Bitcoin does. So let's look at the Bitcoin charts. This is Bitcoin daily charts. Go look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see on the daily, it came down, hit these buy zones, and it's steady chopping right here in that buy zone on this 0.6 Fibonacci retracement. Not 0.6, right above the 0.6 on the Fibonacci retracement. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour chart. And as you can see on the 4-hour chart, it is on the Fibonacci retracement. It is going right in that zone, one of the buy zones. So this is a buy zone for if you wanted to DCA into Bitcoin. This would be one of the buy zones that you pull the trigger in. All right, current price is $29,091, and as you can see, price action did come downward more. Okay, now let's go look at the hour chart. As you can see on the hour chart, it's doing the same thing. The RSI is staying at 50, and as long as it stays like this right here, you should see the altcoins make a little run, right? So let's go look at the altcoin dominance chart, the altcoin market cap. As you can see, that altcoin market cap on the this is the hours. Go look at the 4-hour chart and the daily. And as you can see, that altcoin market cap is starting to chop a little bit. RSI is down here at 40. It needs to fall down about 5% to around the 30, 35, and before you see a humongous run. Okay, look at that daily. Boom. There's the daily right there. As you can see, it was in that downward channel, broke out, had a run up, and you see all the altcoins run up as well, and now it's coming down. Here you have a 68% chance that it breaks to the upside, right? Right? 68% chance it breaks to the upside. And it's forming a downward channel right here. So you're going to see altcoins probably bleed a little bit more besides the ones that are running along with Bitcoin. Okay. Keep in mind this is the daily chart right here for the total market cap. All right, let's go look at XRP. We have XRP, and as you can see, XRP is falling back down into this to the Fibonacci retracement. Um, on the daily is down here around under what's that 41. It needs to fall a little bit more. So look at the 4 hour chart. And as you can see, this is the point 0.6 on the Fibonacci retracement as it came back down and is hitting that. Let me get my oh, I need to put my SMAs in there. That's what I'm missing. And as you can see, that 21 had crossed over that 200 and price actually came back downwards, right? So the RSI is severely oversold. So I would be looking for XRP to be doing something this week because that RSI is severely oversold. Buy volume is not as good, is not greater than the sell pressure. So um, it may fall down a little bit more, but I don't expect it to fall down too much. And if it does, it's a gift, okay? So if it does fall down some more, then I will be pulling the trigger. So look at the weekly. As you can see on the weekly chart, it has red down to those buy zones. You got a 68% chance it breaks to the upside. And on the weekly, you have a golden cross right here. So like I said, this week XRP is probably going to run. It's probably going to run up. You have a golden cross on the weekly. The RSI is it's oversold a little bit, but down here on the 4 hour and stuff, that RSI is severely undersold. Okay. On the daily, RSI is down here approaching severely oversold. It's coming down here, hit that 50. Now, I suspect it has a reversal when it hits this 50 right here, okay? That is an opinion, not financial advice, but it's something to look forward to on this daily, okay? The daily bounce right here hitting that 50 because we are right here around close to that 0.6 Fibonacci retracement area, okay? So be on the lookout for that. You got the 4 hour chart. As you can see, Dev Cross. But we shall see with this RSI here under 35. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart, see which way it's going to move. And as you can see that on the 1 hour chart, 21 looks like it's trying to head back upwards. RSI is not terrible. So you know you could it may chop a little bit today, but you may see a little bit of price movement. Not a lot, just a little bit. All right, this is XLM 1 hour chart. As you can see that 21 crossed that 50 on the golden cross. Price action went up. Needed to get above this 200 though. We need price action to move above this 200 and stay above the 200. Once you get above the 200, you get significant price movement upwards. Okay, so we need that. We need this RSI to fall down here below 30, below 50, around 35 before you see that retracement. Go look at that 4 hour chart. And as you can see on the 4 hour chart, and this is what I mean by we need that price action to get above the 200. Do you see what happened right here when the price action had a golden cross right here? And look at the price action above the 200, right? Now price actually on the 4 hour chart came down, touched 200, and bounced, went back up. Look at the 21, it's starting to flat out. 21 flats out, you need 21 to flat out, and to go back up and cross this 50 right here for a golden cross, and bring this 200 along with the to cross the 50. Then we'll have a golden cross, and then we'll have moon mission. Okay, RSI needs to stay below 50 and around 35. If 35, we get the volume in, we get a golden cross here, then we will have moon mission on XLM. Okay. Let's go look at the daily chart for XLM. And as you can see on XLM, remember I told you rounded bottoms pay the bills. Rounded bottom, boom, money goes up, right? And it still made a higher high than right here, okay? So a higher high right here. So I'm still kind of bullish on that. And as you can see, that 21 broke that 200, pulled the 50, the 80, and the 100 along with it, and now it's starting to take off. So we're going to see significant price action out of Stellar. When XRP moves, you're going to see Stellar move significantly. Okay, we need that RSI to fall down here under 30, under 50, around 35. MACD is looks looking good right now. Everything's looking good. So that's XLM. All right, and then something I wanted to talk to you guys about the big winner of the weekend, YGG. Now, if you guys are not in Yield Guild games and you're not into the GameFi and the crypto gaming, then you're doing yourself a disservice. All right, GameFi and the crypto gaming market, you need to take a look into that. Do your research into that. Gaming is a $1 billion industry, and this is outside of Web3. So when everything migrates over to Web3, what do you think the gaming industry is going to do? What do you think those gaming coins are going to do? What do you think that the players are going to do? They're going to migrate over to Web3 as well, and they're going to have to buy those coins in order to play it. All right, so this is Yield Guild Games, also as YGG. And as you can see, we had Moon Mission, right? You had the 21 across that 50. You got volume in, and as you can see, you got these green candles. So you had to get the cross 21 across that 50. It broke that downward trend line. We did a video on this right here. In one of the videos, we told you guys that the downward trend line was right here. It was getting ready to break. This was accumulation mode right here. Accumulate, 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 accumulate. It broke the trend line. Boom. Take your profit, right? So I actually bought right here at 10 cents a couple of weeks ago, and that profit is I haven't sold yet, but if I would have sold, that would have been a 504% profit. Okay, I think it's still going to run some more, which I know it's going to run some more. So I'm just waiting for it to hit close to $1, then I'll pull my profit out. Another 10, 15 cents, and I'll pull my profit out. $1 is just right here, and it is currently 65 cents. Okay, went from 10 cents to 65 cents, and the course of it was 10 cents on, what was it, 2 weeks ago, right? A week ago when I bought it. On, yeah, June the 10th, it was 10 cents. And it started this run up on August the 3rd. August the 3rd, it started this run up. So not even 30 days, okay? So you have to be patient in this market sometimes. So this is the daily. Let's go look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, that 4-hour chart crossed that 21, crossed the 200, brought that 80, the 100 along with it, and you see price action significantly going up, right? Rise, rise, rise. All you see. That's all you see is that right there, right? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now, if you wanted to get into this particular coin right here, then you need to wait for a retracement of around, let's see here, back down to 30 cents. $0.43, 49 cents. All right. All these are DCA zones that you can buy into as it's falling back down. All right, that it could possibly. So what we mean by these boxes right here, DCA zones, that as it's falling down and it hits this zone, buy. Falls down, hits this zone, buy. If it falls down and right here, hit this zone, buy. Because at these zones right here, it can bounce, come right here and bounce. Come right here, bounce. Come right here, bounce. Come right here or bounce. Any one of those 4 zones, right? So if you're interested in YGG, okay. So let's go take a look at the hourly chart. And as you can see on the hourly chart, it's the same thing. So the price action is significantly above the 200, and it is running, right? And go even smaller to the 15-minute and 30-minute charts. As you can see, you'll have a pullback a little bit down here to this 21, but it's going to run some more. It's probably going to run up to $1 today, all right? So that's YGG. We did XRP, we did XLM, we did YGG, Yield Guild Games, we did Bitcoin, and let's see here. That'll probably be all for today. We got Bitcoin Cash is up 8%. As you can see, Bitcoin Cash as well. And this is a perfect example of why I say about the DCA and the DCA zone. This is just on the 30-minute chart. So let's go look at that 4-hour chart so you guys can see it better. You see here, Bitcoin Cash, I have my DCA. I missed this right here. It was $107, ran up to $329. I missed that trade. I don't know what I was doing, but I missed that trade. So I wanted to get some Bitcoin Cash. So I did the Fibonacci retracement, and I said, okay, right here I can buy some DCA in. Right here I can DCA in. And right here I can DCA in. Dollar cost average in. And as you can see right here, it hit down here and it came coming back up. So these dollar cost averaging boxes, the DCA boxes, it can actually reverse anywhere and pivot anywhere in one of those boxes, okay? So just keep that in mind. All right, so if you like the video that we provided for you today, the technical analysis, please hit the like and subscribe button. Tell your friends, share it, leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. We value your opinion and look for you guys' comments on every video. All right, to the next video. This is Crypto Crane signing out. Peace.